Hi, my name is David, and I'm going to walk you through how I solved the CSWP practice problem 13.12. So for this problem, we're going to start by drawing the top view sketch, then create the plane that's at a 3-degree angle, and also 6 away on the bottom here. Then apply the chamfer, then the draft, 32 degrees, then the fillet with R5, and finally the shell with thickness 1. We'll get started in the top plane. I'm going to create a center line going up, and then start with the arc on the top. Then switch over to a line. Grab the tangency there. Out and in. And then back to a line right here. Okay. So let's get this thing scaled roughly. This is R52 here for the top arc. And it looks like also we can move this around. So we want this to be vertical to the origin. Let's make sure that's vertical to the origin. Okay, and what else do we have? We have this angle here is 8.5. We also have, move that back out. We also have this radius, 120. And then this horizontal distance from the center line to this point across the center line is 124. And one more thing, this vertical distance is 128. Go ahead and move this over here. Okay, good. Fully defined. We can select all and then mirror entities. And that's looking good. Okay, I exited the sketch because we can't quite extrude yet. We need to make sure that we're extruding up to this angled plane here, an angle of 3 degrees. And from here, it's 6. So first I'm going to make a plane that goes up 6 from the top plane, and then create a line to pivot about so that we can then create this angled plane of 3 degrees. And there's probably a better way to do this, but I'm not exactly sure. This seems pretty reasonable, up 6. The only annoying thing is that I have to create a sketch here and bring this line up using convert entities. I'll go ahead and just make this for construction. That's going to be the line to swivel this plane about. So now, exiting the sketch, I'll go select each of these, the line and the plane, and then rotate 3 degrees. Unfortunately, the offset, or sorry, the direction of rotation is not quite right, so we want to flip offset. And that's going to be the 3-degree angle that we need. Let me extend this plane out a little bit so you can see that better. So we're going to be taking this shape and extruding it up to that angled plane. And I'm going to hide a few of these things as we go. All right, so this sketch, extrude up to this surface. And now we can hide that plane. Great, so there's our main body. Now we have a few things. We have to do the chamfer, and then the draft, and then the fillet, and then the shell. So chamfer first, notice that it's not one of the distance and angle chamfers. It's a distance chamfer. So we have 5 millimeters and 9 millimeters. I haven't noticed that in the practice problems very often. So here we want to do a distance. We want asymmetric. If we just did symmetric, they would both be the same, but we want asymmetric. Those are 2 different distances. And they're 5 and 9, and the edge is this edge right here. Great, so there's the chamfer. So now let's look at the draft. Draft is 32 degrees. I was just doing this problem a second ago. The neutral plane is going to be the top plane. We want to pull away from that. But if we look at the preview, oops, haven't selected the faces to draft. We want these faces going around the sides. Those are the ones we want to draft. If we look at the preview, it's coming inward rather than outward. And so we want to switch the direction of the draft. So that's looking good. We want it to flare outward like that. So now let's look at the fillet. It's 5, and we can grab all of that with tangent propagation on. And finally, the shell. It's a thickness of 1. We want to open up the top for sure. We want to open up this part for sure. Those two parts definitely opening up. I wasn't sure exactly what to do about that little tiny bottom sliver, but it turns out that that's how you get the volume from the answer key, is to also shell that part right there. So checking our volume, we have 22089.40 cubic millimeters, and that is exactly what the answer key's volume says. Thank you so much for watching. Take care and keep studying.